Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim codes in the game Fish. So open up menu on the top of your screen, and then you're going to scroll to the very bottom. So if you're up here, you're going to scroll to the very bottom. Type in the code that you have. I've already claimed everything, so I can't really claim it anymore, but I will put all of the working codes in the description box down below. So sometimes you'll get like bobbers or like baits and other items. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!